In today's video, you will learn how to connect Everest Forms to your favorite email marketing software and CRM. I already have Everest Forms installed and set up here. So I'm going to go to All Forms, and here we have two options for our example. Now, I've already gone ahead and added one of these forms to this page. It's called the Simple Contact Form. So to set up our connection, we're going to go back to WordPress. And what we're going to do here is go to FuseWP, then Settings. And if we scroll down, we'll see a list of all of the available integrations. I have 3 of them connected, but I'm going to use MailerLite for this example. So to begin our demonstration, we'll go to User Sync. And here we'll just need to add a sync rule. Now our source here is going to be Everest Forms. And we'll use the simple contact form as our source item. Next, we'll need to go ahead and add a destination. And our event is going to be after form submission. Now we'll need to select our integration, and I'm going to use MailerLite. Moving on, we'll need to select a group. That could also be called a mailing list, depending on which software you're using. So I'm using my feedback group. And our next step here will be to map our custom fields. So I'm going to map the email field from Everest Forms to MailerLite's email field. We'll keep the data type as text. And yes, of course, we'll keep this one. Now we'll go ahead and map our name field. So we'll select name from this list. Then we can try the last name field. There's no last name field. So I guess the form only has a name field. So we'll just back out of this and delete this field by clicking on the X. If you want to map a new field, you can simply click on map another field and select it from this list. Of course, we won't need to, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this. So as soon as we're done with our mapping, we can click on Save. And on the left, we can go to the tab with our simple contact form to test out our connection. So I'm going to enter some random information here and then click on the Submit button once I'm done. And once that submission is successful, we can now go to MailerLite. We just want to see if our contact was captured. So here I'm going to go to, I'll just close this first and I'll go to Subscribers on the left-hand side. And in Subscribers, we're going to go to the Groups tab. And feedback. Now here we just need to refresh this a few times since our contact hasn't been subscribed as yet. So after refreshing, we can see our contact in the list. All right, so this is how you can connect Everest Forms to your favorite email marketing software and CRM using FuseWP. Thanks for watching and see you next time.